Good morning, students. Today we start our new chapter, Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. In this, first we see the topic Factors of a Quadratic Trinomial. ax square plus bx plus c. This expression is called as quadratic trinomial. This expression is called as quadratic trinomial. We know that x plus a and x plus b. We already see in the previous video this formula x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This is also the form of quadratic trinomial. This is the first term, this is second term and this is third term. So we say that the factors of the quadratic trinomial are x plus a and x plus b. Means this is the quadratic trinomial and these are the factors of these expressions. These are called as factors. Now we see how to find the factors of quadratic trinomial. So first I take one example, x square plus 5x plus 6. Suppose this is the expression. So first we compare to this quadratic trinomial to this expression. Compare this. So we get the sum of a plus b is equal to 5 and what is the product? Product are ab is equal to 6. If we compare, then we get the sum is 5 and product is 6. So we split this middle term in the two parts a and b. So we write down x square plus a plus b 5, 3 plus 2. Find out the factors of this 6. We want the sum is 5. So product of these two numbers are 6. 3 into 2 6 and what is the sum is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we write down like this in the middle term plus 3 into 2. Now this x multiplying to this bracket x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Otherwise you can write down 3 into 2. Then make the pairs of these two terms. Two terms, then what is the common? X plus 3. In this x are common plus here are the 2 is common and in the bracket remaining x plus 3. Again we observe, then we get this bracket is common. Take out this common x plus 3 and remaining terms are another bracket x plus 2. So these are the factors of this expression. X plus 3 and x plus 2 are the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6. Means this is the quadratic trinomial. We can find out the factors. Okay. Let's start practice set 6.1. In this we have 12 examples. So I take first here, third, fourth and fifth example. Now what is the third example? Y square plus 24y plus 144. That means here is the middle term is 24 and the last term means is the product of the square term into the third term. Here is nothing but coefficient means 1 and here is 144. So first step is do the product of coefficient of first term into third term. 1 into 144. So what we get? 144. So then you find out the factors of 144 that whose sum is 24y. Means if we take here 12 and 12, 12 into 12, 144 and their sum is 24y. So we adjustable these factors. Y square plus, you write the middle term in the form of that factors. 12 plus 12 y plus 144. So you can write here 12 into 12 also. Y square plus, multiplying this y into the bracket, 12y plus 12y plus 12 into 12. Then you take a pairs and take out common y plus 12. Here is 12 common. In the bracket remaining what? Y plus 12. Then again observe this step. Y plus 12, this bracket are common. Then y plus 12 take out. And again y plus 12. These are the factors of given polynomial. Now we see fourth example, 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Now you observe this, all three terms are divisible by 5. So we can take out the common 5. All these three terms. Then we get remaining 5y square plus y minus 2. 5 is a 10. And then you observe this trinomial, 2 ones are 2. Means we first find out the factors of 2 whose subtraction is plus 1. Means we take here minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 because our answer is plus 1. Then 5 in bracket y square plus 2y minus y minus 2. 5 taking common. Here is y common in bracket y plus 2. Here is nothing but common, means minus 1 y plus 2. Then 5 in bracket y plus 2 and another bracket y minus 1. These are the factors of given trinomial. Then we see the example number 5. P square minus 2p minus 35. Coefficient of first term into third term. 1 into 35 equal to 35. We find out the factors of 35 whose subtraction is minus 2. So we take 7 and 5 and we want the subtraction. So minus 7 and plus 5. Then you write down our trinomial and split the middle term in these factors. Minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. Again make 2 pairs. Common is p minus 7. Here common is 5, then p minus 7. Again common one bracket p minus 7, another bracket p plus 5. These are the factors of given trinomial. Okay. Now we see the example number 6 in the practice set 6.1. P square minus 7p minus 44. This is the trinomial. So you do the first step is the product of square term into the third term. Coefficient of square term and third term. This is the first term, second term and third term. First, second, third. So first you do the multiplication. Coefficient of first term into third term. So we get 1 into 44 equal to 44. So we have to find out the factors of this 44 whose subtraction is minus 7. Means if we do the multiplication of 11 and 4, then 11 minus 4 subtraction is 7 and we want minus 7, so we adjust the sign. Here is the minus and here is the plus. Bigger number sign give the answer. So these are the factors. So then we write down the middle term in the form of these factors. P square minus 11p plus 4p. Answer of this is minus 7p. Minus 44. You can split this term also 11 into 44. Then p square minus 11p plus 4p minus 11 into 4. We can write down also. Then you make the pairs. What is the common here? P. Then p minus 11 plus, here is common 4. Again in the bracket p minus 11. You observe this term, again we have to common p minus 11, this bracket is common. Take out this bracket, p minus 11, another bracket, p plus 4. These are the factors of trinomial. Now example number 7. M square minus 23m plus 120. Again you multiply first coefficient of first term into third term. 1 into 120. Here is nothing but coefficient means 1. And third term is 120. Then 1 into 120, 120. Then find the factors of 120 whose sum is minus 23. Then which are the factors? 15 8s are. 15 8s are. But we want sum and answer sign is minus. So minus minus. Minus minus plus but sign is minus. So split the middle term in the form of these factors. M square minus 15m minus 8m plus 120. Then make the pairs. Take out common. Here is m minus 15. Here is common minus 8. Minus, we take out the common. So this sign will be the change. M minus 15 because 120 means 15 into 8. 8 take out, then remaining 15. Again you observe, we get this bracket is common, m minus 15, another bracket m minus 8. These are the factors of given trinomial. Now example number 8. M square minus 25m plus 100. Again coefficient of first term into third term. Third term is the constant. So 1 into 100 is equal to 100. We find out the factors of 100 in the term of 25m. Means we want the sum. Here is plus, that means we want the sum of this minus 25. Which are the factors? 20 into 5. 20 into 5. 20 plus 5, 25. But here is the minus. So minus minus sign. Then find out the factors. M square minus 20m minus 5m plus 100. Make the pairs. M minus 20, then minus 5 common, m minus, here is minus common, then you change this sign, minus 20. Again one bracket is common, m minus 20, another bracket m minus 5. These are the factors of given trinomial. Okay. Now we see the example number 9. Now in this example the first term coefficient is 3. So our first step is product of coefficient of first term into third term. First term is 3, coefficient is 3 into third term. 15, then we get 45. Then we find out the factors of 45 whose sum is 14. So 9 5s are 45. 9 plus 5, 14. Now you write down the quadratic trinomial and split the middle term in the form of these factors. 3x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 15. Then make the two pairs, take out common. Here is 3x common. What is remaining? X plus 3 plus here is 5 common in the bracket x. 5 is the 15 plus 3 common. Again you observe here is the one bracket is common, x plus 3, another bracket 3x plus 5. These are the factors of quadratic trinomial. Now we see the example number 10. 2x square plus x minus 45. Then again our first step is coefficient of first term into third term. First term into third term, 2 into 45 equal to 90. Now you find out the factors of 90 whose subtraction is plus 1. Then it is very easy, 10 into 9. 10 9s are 90 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So 10 plus and minus 9. Write down the factors. 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Make two pairs. Take out common. Here is the common. 2x in the bracket. X plus 5. Here minus is common and 9 also common in this. X, take out minus outside the bracket, then change the sign, plus 9 5 is 45. Again x plus 5, this bracket is common, so we write down x plus 5, another bracket 2x minus 9. These are the factors. Now we see the example number 11. 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Now, here we take the common 2. In this bracket, 10x square minus 13x plus 4. And then, coefficient of first term into third term. 10 into 4. 10 into 4. 40. So you find out the factors of 40 whose sum is 13. 8 5s are 40. But we want here minus sign. So minus 8 minus 5. Minus minus plus sign is minus. You write down 2 as it is common. 10x square minus 5x minus 8x plus third term 4. Then you common. Take out common again. 5x in this bracket. 2x minus 1 minus 4 is common. Here again minus taking outside, then you change the sign. 2x minus 1. Again you observe in these two terms 2x minus 1 is common. 2x minus 1, another bracket 5x minus 4. This is the factors of this quadratic trinomial. Okay.